of any languages, any divisive policies. We don't want disunity. We want unity of our country. Unity is our strength. Unity in diversity is our origin. मैं कभी कोई हिंदी भाषी को बोला है कि आप बांग्ला छोड़ के चल जाओ, कभी नहीं बताया. You are also my friend. लेकिन आप कहा सकते हैं, ये बात आप कह सकते हैं ना कि अगर बंगाली बोलने का नाते दिल्ली में अत्याचार हो, राजस्थान में अत्याचार हो, उत्तर प्रदेश में अत्याचार हो, मध्य प्रदेश में हो, गुजरात में हो, चाहे असम में हो, तो क्या ये आपको भी अच्छा लगता है? नहीं लगता है. इसी के लिए आप लोगों ने मेरे को साथ दिया. आज आप भी आपका कम्युनिटी से आवाज सुनो कि अगर हमारा बंगाल में 1.5 करोड़ माइग्रेंट वर्कर काम करते हैं, तो बंगाल का 22 लाख बाहर में काम करते हैं, तो उसको पूरा अत्याचार बंद करो.
This is a very, very dangerous trend. This is exactly what we saw in fascist movements in Europe. The last of this during the Second World War in Nazi Germany, where you had Jews being dehumanized. You had Jews being treated not as human beings, being dehumanized, being picked up, being treated as second-class citizens. And lastly, it ended with the extermination of 6 million Jews, while the rest of Germany looked on. That's exactly what is happening here now, that you are picking up Bengali-speaking people, labeling them as termites, labeling them as Rohingyas, labeling them as Bangladeshis without due process, and putting them illegally in detention centers, taking their phones, switching off their phones, not looking at their documents. In many cases, their families don't know where they are for 3 days or 4 days. And there is no due process, no verification. People are scared in Gurgaon who are working there as maids, as drivers, as rag pickers. Their children are scared to go to school. Their children are scared to go to college. They are scared to go out of their house for fear that they may be picked up and be illegally detained as Bangladeshis. This is happening in our own country. And this is happening. What is your crime? That you speak Bengali. What is your crime? That you come from the state of West Bengal. So the Mamata Banerjee's government is certainly not going to put up with this. We have 22 lakh migrant workers outside Bengal, but we are home to 1.3 crore migrant workers from inside Bengal. We don't treat them like this, and we don't expect the rest of India to treat Bengalis.